people, welcome back to Politics Watch. Now, once again, another Yang attack has taken a life near the National Stadium, very close to the same spot where Wani British lost his life as well. We're hearing that 3 people were traveling in a Nissan Note along Arthur Drive, and for those who don't know, that's out by the National Stadium. When 2 men and a Yang rode up and opened fire. Only the British person lost their life. The others are in hospital. Now, that area seems to be a hotbed for these kind of activities, right? But people, please be careful of these Yangs, right? I know, unfortunately, the good get caught up with the bad because a lot of people use Yang for work. They use them to deliver, and a lot of delivery youth who use them for they work with the restaurants and they deliver food. So you do have a lot of good law-abiding people who use Yang, but unfortunately, this bike and the image of this bike is being intertwined with everything negative. Right? Yang are now becoming synonymous with violence and shootings. There's no reported link between this British person and Wani British, even though they both lost their life in similar circumstances at a similar location. Right? But anytime you see a foreigner come down and something like this happen to them, you know instantly this is a hit. Okay? This is no accident, this is no random act of violence. If somebody with British come down and are driving a car and bite man drive them down and shoot up the car, you already know what time it is. But the bigger picture here is that it's getting to a point where I think Jamaicans will start to demand the government do something about these Yang bikes. And as I said, it's going to be difficult because you can't ban them, because a lot of people use them for work, transportation. You can't just ban one type of transport or one type of brand. Okay, so that's the first thing. So realistically, there's not going to be any legislation that's going to help get rid of these Yang bikes, because too many people use them for normal law-abiding purposes. And the reality of the situation is, these 87 octanes, even if you take away Yang from them, they're not going to stop doing this. All them are going to do is if them have to ride donkey cart, that's how it's going to be. That's how motivated a Hungry Belly 87 octane is to carry out it. If you take away the Yang from them, if you take away car from them, if you even take the shoes off of them foot, they will go out there and they may get donkey, and they may use bicycle, they may use tricycle, anything, right? Because they're very motivated, especially when they're sent on a hit, right? Now, other people in the car were injured, but knowing how 87 octanes operate, they probably only came for the British person, but you know how for them shooting already. So the other 2 people in the car were also injured, right? Trust me, the last thing you want to be is in a vehicle when a 87 octane come for a target in the same vehicle as you, because there's a very high chance you're also going to get hit, right? But I think as the days go by, we're going to hear more about this story, because this person is British and them fly down, and as them fly down, this happened to them. So you know there's a much bigger story behind this. So people, when you're on the road and you hear these Yangs coming, I always check my mirror, right? Whether you have known enemies or not, once you're on the road and you hear a Yang coming, make sure your mirrors get checked instantly. Rear view mirror, side view mirror, everything. That is the reality of the situation, and that is Jamaica in 2019. So people, this is Politics Watch. Like, comment, share. Patreon squad, big up. I think we're going to hear more about this story as the days go by. But big up until then.